Hello baby boomers, and welcome back to our channel. In the world of banking, a revolution is quietly unfolding. It's not about newfangled ATMs or fancy credit cards. No, this change runs much deeper, touching the very core of how banks operate. We're talking about artificial intelligence, or AI. The world of banking, which is known for its conservative approach, becomes one of the fastest to adopt AI. By the end of this video, you'll see why AI might just be the best thing to happen to banking since the invention of the checkbook and credit cards. Remember the days when banking meant buildings in which people were standing in long lines waiting to cash checks, draw money, or deposit it? When your local banker knew you by name and asked about your kids? Well, those days might be gone, but AI is bringing back that personal touch in ways you might not expect. Stay tuned to find out. But before we dive into the details, let's talk about what AI really is. Artificial intelligence isn't some robot from a science fiction movie. It's more like a super smart computer program that can learn and make decisions. In banking, it's being used to analyze data, spot patterns, avoid fraud, and even predict future trends. Now, you might be wondering, is this just another trend? Well, the numbers tell a different story. Banks and financial institutions are realizing significant cost savings through the implementation of AI technologies. Here are some key figures and insights on the cost savings potential. As for 2023, over 70% of financial institutions were investing in AI solutions. That's not just a trend, it's a transformation, and it's happening fast. It was estimated that in 2023, AI could save banks up to $447 billion. That's a billion with a B. AI is helping banks reduce operational costs in several ways. AI adoption in banking is projected to reduce costs by 22% over the next 5 years. AI can help banks save up to 5% on costs across their value chains and can lower operational costs by as much as 20% for banks. These are huge amounts of money worldwide. We're talking huge numbers that demonstrate that AI is having a substantial impact on cost reduction in the banking sector, with savings projected to reach hundreds of billions of dollars in the coming years. The technology is proving particularly effective in areas such as fraud detection, customer service, and operational efficiency. Make sure you stay with us on this video to learn how you, as a customer, can benefit from these savings. Leading the charge in this AI revolution is the United Kingdom. They're pioneering the integration of machine learning into banking operations. The UK's leadership in banking AI adoption positions it favorably in the global financial landscape. By being at the forefront of AI implementation, UK banks are likely to realize productivity gains and cost savings sooner than their global counterparts. This early adoption may give UK banks a competitive edge in developing innovative AI-powered financial products and services. UK banks are making significant strides in AI adoption and talent acquisition, positioning the UK as a leader in the banking AI revolution. But don't worry, the benefits are spreading worldwide. Let's start with something we all care about: keeping our hard-earned money safe. In the old days, we had security guards and vault doors. Today, we have AI. Think of it as a tireless, incredibly smart security system that never sleeps. Let's explore how banks are implementing these innovative solutions of AI. Take JP Morgan Chase, for example. They're using AI to validate payments and spot suspicious transactions faster than you can say deposit slip. It's like having a financial watchdog that knows your spending habits better than you do. This AI system has significantly reduced rejection rates for account validation. What does that mean for you? Faster approvals for your transactions and less frustration when you're trying to make a payment. But it doesn't stop there. AI is also playing a crucial role in combating fraud. It can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, identifying suspicious patterns and anomalies that a human might miss. This isn't just protecting the bank's assets, it's protecting your money and your peace of mind. Speaking of protecting assets, let's talk about HSBC. They've taken a bold step by adopting Google Cloud's AI solution for transaction analysis. Now you might be thinking, what does that mean for me? Well, it's all about keeping the bad guys out of our financial system. This AI system enhances HSBC's ability to detect risks and identify suspicious activities. It's like having a team of super detectives working around the clock. The result? A more secure banking system for all of us. But there's more. This AI solution has also led to a substantial decrease in false alarms. That means HSBC can focus its resources on real threats, making the entire system more efficient and secure. Now let's shift gears and talk about something we all value: good customer service. Remember Mrs. Johnson, that friendly teller who always had a smile for you? Well, meet her digital grandkid. Barclays, that big bank across the pond, has created something called Barclays Assistant. It's like having a personal banker in your pocket ready to help 24/7. Need to check your balance at 3 a.m.? No problem. Want to know the best savings account for your grandkids' college fund? Just ask. This AI-powered chatbot isn't just about convenience. It's designed to provide personalized recommendations based on your individual preferences and behaviors. It's like having a banker who remembers every conversation you've ever had and uses that information to serve you better. The results speak for themselves. Barclays has seen notable improvements in customer loyalty. People appreciate getting immediate relevant support whenever they need it. And it's not just customers who are benefiting. This AI solution has increased operational efficiency, allowing Barclays to allocate its human resources more effectively. But Barclays isn't the only one exploring AI. Goldman Sachs is leading the charge with various generative AI projects. These initiatives aim to leverage advanced algorithms for improved financial modeling and decision-making processes. Meanwhile, American Express has established digital labs, focusing on predictive analytics to better understand customer behavior and optimize service offerings. Make sure you stay with us for the benefits you can gain from this technology, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to make sure you won't stay behind. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this AI thing really safe? Well folks, the banks are asking the same question. They're not just jumping on the AI bandwagon willy-nilly. They're testing these systems more thoroughly than we used to check our kids' Halloween candy. Both Goldman Sachs and American Express emphasize a cautious approach to AI experimentation. They recognize the importance of balancing innovation with risk management. By carefully evaluating the implications of AI technologies, these companies aim to harness their potential while ensuring compliance and maintaining customer trust. So, what does the future hold? The potential impact of AI on banking operations is profound, particularly in revolutionizing fraud prevention and risk reduction. Imagine a banking system that can detect and prevent fraud in real time, keeping your money safer than ever before. But it's not all about security. Data analytics is playing a crucial role in personalizing customer interactions. Banks will be able to tailor services and recommendations based on your individual preferences and behaviors. It's like having a banker who knows you better than you know yourself. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. That's why there's an ongoing trend among banks to rigorously test AI solutions before widespread adoption. They're making sure these technologies are not just effective, but also reliable and safe. Now here's the real kicker. AI is saving banks a ton of money. Remember that $447 billion figure we mentioned earlier? That's not just savings for the banks. It should translate into better interest rates and lower fees for us. This is a huge challenge for the financial world since banks tend to keep their profits for their executives and shareholders. But here is the thing. AI also gives the customer new tools to compare banking costs. Here are some AI-powered tools and platforms that can help you compare fees and interest rates of different banks. NerdWallet, for example, provides AI-driven comparisons for various financial products, including savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. It helps users find the best rates and fees based on personalized needs. Another example is Bankrate, which utilizes AI to compare rates and fees for a wide range of banking products, including mortgages, savings accounts, and personal loans. There is also Mint, that offers AI-powered insights into personal finance, including fee tracking and comparison of interest rates for savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. You'll find references for these tools and other tools and platforms in the description below. So, what does all this mean for us baby boomers? Well, it means banking is getting easier, safer, and more personalized. No more waiting in long lines or being put on hold for hours. AI is bringing back the personal touch we remember, but with 21st century convenience. But it's not just about convenience. AI is making banking more accessible for everyone. For those of us who might struggle with new technology or have mobility issues, AI-powered banking solutions can be a game changer. Voice-activated assistants, for example, can help those with visual impairments manage their finances more independently. As we wrap up, remember this: AI in banking isn't something to fear. It's a tool that's making our financial lives easier and more secure. So next time you use your banking app or chat with an online assistant, give a little nod to AI. It's working hard to keep your money safe and your banking smooth. The world of banking is changing, but that doesn't mean we're being left behind. In fact, with AI, we're getting the best of both worlds: the personal service we grew up with, and the convenience we never dreamed possible. Who says you can't teach an old dog new tricks? When it comes to AI and banking, we're all learning together. And remember, this technology is still evolving. The future of banking looks exciting, with even more personalized services, better security, and easier access to financial tools on the horizon. As we've seen throughout history, embracing new technology can lead to incredible improvements in our daily lives. AI in banking is no different. No. This has been Tech Talk for Boomers. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. We're here to help you navigate the digital world with confidence. And if you have any questions or comments you want to share about AI in banking, leave them in the comments below. We might just address them in our next video. Until next time, keep your mind open to new possibilities and happy banking.